In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect Instagram to Flodesk. Connecting your Instagram account to Flodesk can be useful when you want to include your Instagram content directly in your email designs. Once the accounts are connected, you can use your Instagram feed within your Flodesk emails, making it easier to showcase your social media content to your subscribers. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for Integrations and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage the different services that can be connected to your Flodesk account. Once the Integrations section opens, scroll down through the available options until you find the Instagram logo. When you locate Instagram, look over to the right side of that section. You'll see a black Connect button. Click on Connect to begin linking your Instagram account with Flodesk. After you click Connect, Instagram will open in a browser window. You'll see a message explaining that Flodesk is requesting permission to integrate with your Instagram account. Review the connection request, and if you're ready to allow the integration, click Allow. This gives Flodesk permission to connect with your Instagram account. After you click Allow, give the page a moment to process the connection. The page should refresh automatically once the process is complete. When you return to the Flodesk integrations area, you should now see that your Instagram account is connected. This confirms that the integration has been successfully set up. Once the connection is active, you can use your Instagram content while creating your Flodesk emails. In particular, you'll be able to add your Instagram feed to your email design, making it easier to showcase your social content directly to your subscribers. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Flodesk or Instagram may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. You may see slightly different menus, buttons, or layouts, but the process is still based around opening your profile menu, selecting integrations, finding Instagram, and connecting the account. So, to recap, open Flodesk, click your profile icon, select integrations, find Instagram, and click Connect. Then follow the Instagram authorization screen and click Allow. Once the page refreshes, your Instagram account should be connected to Flodesk. And that's how you can link and connect Instagram to Flodesk and use your Instagram feed within your email designs.